Yes. Hi everybody. Today I gonna make chicken wings for US marrying. Actually I made several times, different way, but today I'm adding some more spices. That is absolutely my idea. I want to experiment and share with you. So after that, how it will be taste. Actually, I don't know. Okay, let's see what I'm going to put. Use the spices, all the spices. Okay, this is salt, just for taste. That's okay. And this is all hot chili, dry red chili, crushed red pepper, and some black pepper, crushed black pepper, paprika. All I mix it here. All this teaspoon, each teaspoon. So mix it. And this is garlic powder, onion powder, and this is coriander and cumin, a little cracked for good smell. And this is I add mayonnaise. This is tomato paste. And this is fresh garlic, just 1 spoon. And this is paste garlic, so 1 spoon, and little ginger. And I'm using honey, just 1 spoon. That's it. It mix very good with well and a little while. I'm going to make them roast. Oven, I put oven 400 Fahrenheit like this. And now I'm keeping freeze for half an hour, so it will be marinated. So this half an hour gone. It's all sticky. That's why I'm using baking sheet and a little while. So now I'm going to fix them. So it will be upward, skin side top, skin side top. So it will be looks nice and roasted. This already 25 minutes gone, but I want more little bit color for crispy looking. So it's I will put there 10 more minutes, so it will be nice. Okay, it's ready. I'm going to try one piece. Just try. It is delicious. Sweet, hot, sour taste. It's very nice.